Welcome back to my channel and welcome to anyone who has just found me for the first time. I would like to thank you in advance for watching and please like, comment, share and subscribe. Now for today's video, and I hope you enjoy and learn something you had not known before. Here's a list of more strange and unusual things about the animal kingdom you might not know. 1. Immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii. These jellyfish can revert their cells to an earlier stage of life when they face injury or starvation, essentially making them biologically immortal. Life cycle. The jellyfish begins life as a larva, matures into an adult, and, under stress, reverts to a polyp state by transforming its cells. This process can theoretically continue indefinitely. Significance. Scientists are studying its ability to reverse aging for potential applications in medicine and understanding human longevity. Habitat. Found in oceans worldwide, especially in warmer waters. 2. Shrimp can punch harder than a bullet. The mantis shrimp delivers punches at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, creating cavitation bubbles that generate light and heat as they collapse. It's powerful enough to break glass or crack a crab's shell. Mantis shrimp punch mechanics. Its club-like appendage moves at 23 meters per second, faster than a bullet, creating a shockwave that stuns or kills prey even if the punch doesn't land directly. Cavitation bubble. The collapsing bubble produces temperatures as hot as the sun for milliseconds and emits light. Use in technology. Scientists study mantis shrimp for developing more durable materials, such as impact-resistant armor. 3. Cows have best friends. Studies show that cows form strong social bonds with other cows and experience stress when separated from their best friends. Behavior. Cows are social animals with strong bonds. When separated, their heart rates increase, and they show signs of stress. Benefits. Keeping cows with their best friends improves their welfare and productivity. Observation. Farmers often notice cows grazing, resting, or moving in pairs with their chosen friends. 4. Echidnas have four-headed penises. Male echidnas, one of the few egg-laying mammals, have a bizarre four-headed reproductive organ, though they only use 2 heads at a time during mating. Purpose. Only 2 of the heads are used during mating, with the other 2 remaining dormant. The heads alternate use during successive mating attempts. Reproductive system. Echidnas belong to monotremes, laying eggs instead of giving live birth. This unique anatomy is believed to increase reproductive success. Other quirks. They also have electroreceptors in their snouts to detect prey. 5. Zombie ant fungus controls ants' minds. A parasitic fungus, Ophiocordyceps, infects ants, takes over their bodies, and forces them to climb to a specific height where the fungus can release its spores. How it works. The fungus invades the ant's body, releasing chemicals that manipulate its behavior. It forces the ant to climb vegetation and bite onto a leaf or stem before dying. Fungus reproduction. The fungus grows a stalk from the ant's body, releasing spores to infect more ants. Research. Scientists study this to understand parasitic manipulation and its implications for ecosystems. 6. Snakes can sense earthquakes. Snakes are incredibly sensitive to vibrations and can detect earthquakes from as far as 75 miles away, up to 5 days before they occur. Mechanism. Snakes detect seismic vibrations through their jawbones and body. Behavior. They exhibit erratic movements or leave their burrows days before an earthquake strikes. Distance. They can sense vibrations up to 120 kilometers, 75 miles, away, even from small tremors humans can't feel. 7. Platypuses glow under UV light. Under ultraviolet light, platypuses' fur fluoresces green and blue. The purpose of this glow remains a mystery to scientists. Potential reasons. It may help them avoid predators, communicate, or adapt to nocturnal life, but the exact purpose is still unclear. Other quirks. Platypuses also have venomous spurs and use electrolocation to hunt underwater. 8. A cockroach can live without its head. Cockroaches don't rely on their heads to breathe, as they use spiracles in their bodies. A decapitated cockroach can survive for weeks until it dies of starvation. 9. Sea cucumbers breathe through their anus. Sea cucumbers extract oxygen by pumping water in and out of their anus, where their respiratory tree is located. Defense mechanism. Sea cucumbers can eject their internal organs through their anus to distract predators and later regenerate them. Role in ecosystem. They clean the ocean floor by consuming organic debris. 10. Starfish have no brain. Instead of a brain, starfish have a nerve ring that coordinates their movements. Despite this, they can regenerate arms and even their entire bodies from just a single limb. Vision. Starfish have light-sensitive eye spots at the tips of their arms. 11. Frogs can vomit their stomachs. Some species of frogs, like the African bullfrog, can completely evert their stomachs, turn them inside out, to clean them of toxins and debris. Eversion. Some frogs can push their stomachs out of their mouths, clean them of toxins or debris, and then swallow them back in. Defense mechanism. This is often used to rid themselves of poisonous substances they may have ingested. Adaptation. It's a survival trait evolved in some species to deal with hazardous environments. 12. The bemortaled lobster. Lobsters don't show typical signs of aging. They produce an enzyme, telomerase, that repairs their DNA indefinitely, allowing them to potentially live for centuries if they avoid predators or disease. Limits. They eventually die due to physical exhaustion from molting or disease. Size and age. Some lobsters caught are estimated to be over 100 years old and weigh over 40 pounds. 13. Hippos sweat sunscreen. Hippos secrete a natural, reddish-orange substance from their skin that acts as both a sunscreen and an antibiotic. Heat adaptation. This helps hippos survive in the harsh African sun since they lack fur. Social behavior. Hippos spend much of their day submerged in water to stay cool. 14. Electric eels can stun prey remotely. Electric eels can generate powerful electric shocks of up to 600 volts. They can even stun prey from a distance by releasing pulsed electric charges. They use their specialized organs to generate electricity. They can control the intensity to communicate, navigate, or stun prey. Hunting strategy. They release small pulses to locate prey and then deliver a full shock to immobilize it. Bioelectricity. The study of eels' electricity has inspired innovations in energy storage and medical devices. 15. Spiders can fly using electricity. Some spiders use a phenomenon called ballooning to travel great distances. They release silk threads that catch onto electrical charges in the atmosphere, lifting them off the ground. Ballooning. Spiders release silk threads that interact with electric fields in the atmosphere, allowing them to fly for miles. Purpose. This behavior helps them disperse to new areas or escape predators. Discovery. Scientists confirmed that spiders sense and use the Earth's electric field to aid this process. Thank you for watching and stay well until the next video.